Hey there, gamers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and useful tutorial on how to join someone on Roblox even if their joins are turned off. Let's get started. First up, you need to open Roblox and let's get you connected to your friends in no time. So here's what you need to do. To locate your friends, where all the gaming companions await. Simply search for the friend you're itching to join. Let's say I'm excited to join forces with this pro player. So I'll need to type in their name in here and then hit on enter. So as you can see, there are a lot of people in here as per your search. So let's choose one. Let's click this. And as you can see in here, the join button isn't giving us the green light, but don't worry, there's a nifty trick to work around this. So here's what you'll need to do. You'll need to open up a new tab and head to the Chrome Web Store. So you'll need to search for Roblox Searcher. This handy extension is your secret weapon. So find the first result and click on Add to Chrome. So it's like suiting up the ultimate power up. And right after, head back to your friend's profile, give the page a little refresh, and voila, the join button should emerge here. And there you have it, a slick way to join your friends on Roblox, even if their joins are turned off. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you found this tip helpful, drop a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming insights. And see you in the next video.